How to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple trick to change your Snapchat username before the usual 12-month waiting period. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Snapchat app on your device, then tap on your profile icon at the top, then tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Now you want to scroll to the bottom of the settings page and here tap on Help Center. Then use the search bar to type change username. Look for the article titled How Do I Change My Snapchat Username? Open the article which will show you the steps but won't provide a direct way to change your username. Now scroll all the way down to find the support section, tap Contact Us. Select the option that says I need help with a Snapchat feature. Avoid selecting I want to change my username as this leads to the article we just saw. Instead, expand the section for camera, friends, or any other category. Look for the Still Need Help section and tap it open to open a contact form. In the form, enter your topic, username, and email. With a brief and clear message you want to write, I accidentally changed my Snapchat username recently and I didn't realize I wouldn't be able to update it again for a whole year. I made a mistake with the username I picked and would really appreciate if you could help me change it to a new one. After filling out the form, tap on the submit option. Now wait for a few days for Snapchat support to process your request. Snapchat support should get back to you and help you change your username bypassing the usual 1 year wait. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.